Welcome to this explainer. Right now, there's a literal invisible war raging inside your mouth.
Yep, right this second, over 700 species of bacteria are throwing a massive destructive party. They snack on hidden food, producing acid that eats away your enamel, your teeth's protective paint.
And just like a car, once that protective paint peels off, the tooth starts rotting away.
But it doesn't stop there. Bacteria from bleeding gums can actually travel straight to your heart.
The scary truth? An infected mouth can lead directly to clogged arteries and a sick body.
Luckily, you've got a built-in security guard. Saliva actively washes away these invaders during the day.
But at night, saliva drops, leaving those bacteria an 8-hour buffet of whatever you ate.
Tiny particles of rice, meat, or sugar hide in tight gaps, fueling that overnight acid attack.
Brushing in the morning totally wipes out that overnight bacterial army and freshens your breath.
More importantly, morning fluoride coats your enamel, shielding it from all those acids in your breakfast.
But nighttime brushing is a real game changer. It completely stops that ongoing bacterial destruction.
Clearing out the daily debris makes sure your teeth survive those vulnerable 8 hours of sleep. So, what's your weapon? Salt water, fingers, and chewing sticks just can't remove that sticky plaque.
Using just salt and water? It's exactly like mopping a filthy floor without any soap.
The absolute must-have here is fluoride. It builds a super strong defensive fence around your enamel.
Foam alone won't cut it. You need a proper toothpaste to act as soap for your teeth.
And hey, ingredients like charcoal or lemon can even help lift those tough tea and coffee stains.
You don't get a second set of adult teeth. So are you giving them the armor they need?